very good morning to all our viewers. Today, on the occasion of International Yoga Day, we, on behalf of National Service Scheme, Diamond Harbour Women's University, present before you our celebration through this video. The theme for this year is Yoga for Well-being. This year too, like the previous year, our students are confined within the four walls of their house due to the second wave of the pandemic. Yes, we are confined, but at the same time, we are united through this virtual medium, and we can definitely unbind ourselves through yoga, an ancient practice for physical and mental well-being. Today, we are extremely honored to have with us our very own dear Vice Chancellor Madam Professor Anuradha Mukhopadhyay in this celebration. We also have with us our Registrar Dr. Saidur Rahman, our Dean Faculty of Arts Professor Tapun Mondol, our Dean Faculty of Science Professor Shujit Mondol, and also our Dean of Students Welfare, Dr. Tanya Chakravorty. We will be listening to the valuable opinion of all our dignitaries, and this will be followed by yoga performed by our students in their home. Presenting before you our celebration of International Yoga Day.
Good morning to all. Today, on the occasion of the 7th International Day of Yoga, I welcome you all to the virtual celebration of the day, which has been organized by the National Service Scheme, NSS unit of our university. The second wave of the pandemic has kept our students confined in their homes, but almost all student activities of the university are being conducted as much as possible through the online mode, along with all academic activities. This year, the theme of International Day of Yoga is Yoga for Well-being. Physical confinement has myriad effects on our minds. Yoga is a practice that can be easily performed within our homes, and it helps us to stay healthy and rejuvenated. At the same time, it helps us to fight social isolation and depression, which is so prevalent during this pandemic. According to a United Nations statement, and I quote, yoga is also playing a significant role in the psychosocial care and rehabilitation of COVID-19 patients in quarantine and in isolation. It is particularly helpful in allaying their fears and anxiety, unquote. From 2017, this day is being celebrated each year in our university. We have conducted special lectures and lecture demonstrations where our students and staff members have participated actively and wholeheartedly. Last year, we had celebrated the day by organizing a webinar. This year, the National Service Scheme NSS unit of our university will be recording the yoga performed by our students in their homes and will be showcasing it through this YouTube video. We have to look for new ways and means to ensure the safety of our students and combat the pandemic. We in the university are committed to the well-being of our students and all staff members. On 18 June, a vaccination camp was organized within the university campus jointly with the West Bengal government officials from the office of the SDO, Diamond Harbour, and health officials of Diamond Harbour, South 24 Parganas, for our staff members and their elderly relatives. I hope today's celebration will inspire all our students as well as our viewers to practice yoga at home for their physical and mental well-being. My best wishes to you all. Stay safe, stay at home, follow all pandemic protocols and do your part. Thank you.
The UN proclaimed June 21 as International Day of Yoga by passing a resolution on December 11, 2014. The international community observes June 21 as International Yoga Day, recognizing the many benefits of the ancient Indian practice of yoga. The United Nations theme for this year is Yoga for Well-being, which takes into account how the practice can promote the holistic health of every individual. Yoga has long been recognized as India's gift to the global culture of wellness. Yoga embodies unity of mind and body, thought and action, a holistic approach that is valuable to our health and our well-being. Yoga is not just about exercise. It is a way to discover the sense of oneness with yourself, with the world, and with the nature. Yoga cultivates the ways of maintaining a balanced attitude in day-to-day life and endows skill in the performance of one's actions. Previously, the NSS department of Diamond Harbour Women's University organized various programs to celebrate International Yoga Day. This year, in this critical, complex corona pandemic situation, celebration of Yoga Day is more meaningful with a view to strengthen our body and mind. I urge my colleagues, teachers, non-teaching staff and the students of the university to practice Yogasana on regular basis to boost up the immunity power of the body. Thank you very much.
নমস্কার। ডায়মন্ড হারবার মহিলা বিশ্ববিদ্যালয়ের জাতীয় সেবা প্রকল্পের উদ্যোগে আয়োজিত এবছর ৭ম আন্তর্জাতিক যোগ দিবস উদযাপিত হচ্ছে। বর্তমানে অতিমারীর সংকটকালে গৃহবন্ধু জীবনযাপনের মধ্য দিয়েও এমন একটি অনুষ্ঠানের আয়োজন করার জন্য বিশ্ববিদ্যালয়ের জাতীয় সেবা প্রকল্পের আহ্বায়ক ডক্টর ইন্দ্রাণী ঘোষ ও সকল সদস্যকে প্রথমেই ধন্যবাদ জানাই। এছাড়া এই অনুষ্ঠানে উপস্থিত আছেন বিশ্ববিদ্যালয়ের মাননীয় উপাচার্য অধ্যাপক অনুরাধা মুখোপাধ্যায় মহাশয়া সহ সমস্ত আধিকারিক বন্ধুরা ও আমার সহকর্মী বন্ধুদের প্রীতি শুভেচ্ছা ও ভালোবাসা জানাই। অবশ্যই আমার স্নেহের ছাত্রীরা এবং ইউটিউবের চ্যানেলের সমস্ত শ্রোতা বন্ধুদের প্রতি শুভেচ্ছা ভালোবাসা। আমরা জানি যোগব্যায়াম নতুন কোনো বিষয় নয়। জীবন গঠনের ক্ষেত্রে তথা সুস্থ জীবন যাপন ও রোগমুক্ত জীবন ধারণের জন্য যোগব্যায়ামের বিকল্প কিছু নেই। বর্তমান পরিস্থিতিতে তার প্রাসঙ্গিকতা আরও গুরুত্ব পেয়েছে। কোভিড-19 সংক্রমণ ব্যাধির হাত থেকে মুক্তি পেতে অবশ্যই প্রাণায়াম, যোগব্যায়াম বিশেষ প্রয়োজন। প্রাচীন মুনিঋষি থেকে আজ পর্যন্ত বিভিন্ন সেবা প্রতিষ্ঠান, শরীরচর্চা কেন্দ্র নিয়মিত এর অনুশীলন করে চলেছে। গত 2011 সালে 21 জুন রাষ্ট্রসংঘ বিশ্ব যোগ দিবস উদযাপনের জন্য 69তম সাধারণ সভায় প্রস্তাব পাশ করে। 2014 থেকে বিশ্ব যোগ দিবস পালন হয়ে চলেছে। যোগের মধ্য দিয়ে মানুষের মন ও শরীরের চিন্তা ও কর্মের যোগ হয়। যোগ শুধুমাত্র ব্যায়াম নয়, মানব জীবনের সুস্থতার একমাত্র পথ যোগ সাধনা। কাজেই মানব জীবনকে সুস্থ পথে পরিচালিত করতে যোগ সাধনার বিশেষ প্রয়োজন প্রাণায়ামের। বর্তমানকালে তো অবশ্যই সেটি গুরুত্ব পাচ্ছে, আপনারা সবাই জানেন। সুতরাং এই কথাগুলো মাথায় রেখে প্রতিটি প্রতিষ্ঠানেও এই যোগব্যায়াম দিনের পর দিন বেড়ে চলেছে। যোগ দিবস আন্তর্জাতিক শুধু পালন করলে হবে না, তার সাথে সাথে আমরা যেন প্রতিদিন এর অভ্যাস চালিয়ে যেতে পারি এবং নিজেদের শরীর সুস্থ রাখতে পারি, সেই আশা রেখে আজকের এই অনুষ্ঠান যদি করি আমরা, তাহলে এই অনুষ্ঠানের সার্থকতা আছে বলে মনে করব। সুতরাং আমাদের এই অনুষ্ঠানের সার্থকতা তখনই আসবে যদি সবাই আমরা যোগ ব্যায়াম ও শরীরচর্চার মধ্য দিয়ে নিয়মিতভাবে নিজেদেরকে সুস্থ রাখতে পারি। এই অতিমারীর সংকটকালে আমার সমস্ত ছাত্রী ও সকল সহকর্মী বন্ধুদের প্রতি এই নিবেদন রেখে তাদের শারীরিক সুস্থতা কামনা করে শেষ করছি। ধন্যবাদ।
Diamond Harbour Women's University has been celebrating International Yoga Day every year since 2017. This year, we are celebrating the day through video conferencing due to COVID-19 pandemic. The theme of the International Yoga Day 2021 is Yoga for Well-being, how the practice of yoga can promote the holistic health of every individuals. This is much more relevant during this pandemic situation. The main objectives to celebrate International Yoga Day is to explore the importance of yoga in terms of increasing mental and physical strength to fight against COVID-19 pandemic. The Government of India took several measures to tackle the situation as per World Health Organization's guidelines. But during the pitiable situation, there is an urgent need for yoga which can reduce number of COVID-19 pandemic confirmed cases as well as death cases. The coronavirus attacks specifically our respiratory system, and only yoga can help a lot in strengthening both respiratory system and immune system, and finally can reduce death cases and fight against viruses. The pandemic has brought about a large-scale socioeconomic changes worldwide at present. It has disrupted lives, created loneliness. It has led to increased anxiety caused by economic difficulties, fear of illness, and worry about near and dear ones. As a whole, COVID-19 outbreak has disrupted lifestyle of people across the world. International Yoga Day is a good reminder of staying fit for the large number of people who have been working from home with least physical activities. Practicing yoga every day can lead to better mental and physical fitness. Yoga boosts fitness, reduces stress and anxiety, builds immunity, and strengthens hearts. The confluence of yoga with traditional and modern medicines can lead to human health and well-being of a nation. Dear students, now we must spend at least 20 to 30 minutes in a day with yoga to keep our mind stress-free and cool. Yoga is most effective to maintain a steady state of mind as well as to fight against coronaviruses. So let's make yoga a regular part of lives for a healthier tomorrow. Thank you so much.
Greetings on International Yoga Day. The Sanskrit word yoga means to join or to unite. One who practices yoga has a union of body and consciousness. On 11 December 2014, the United Nations proclaimed 21st June as International Day of Yoga. This was during the 69th session of the General Assembly. At the session, Indian Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi had said, I quote, Yoga is an invaluable gift from our ancient tradition. Yoga embodies unity of mind and body, thought and action. A holistic approach that is valuable to our health and our well-being. Yoga is not just about exercise. It is a way to discover the sense of oneness with yourself, the world and the nature. Unquote. The theme this year, that is 2021, is Yoga for Well-being. We know that globally, the pandemic COVID-19 is continuing to affect lives and livelihoods. The pandemic has affected physical health, and it has also affected and worsened mental health. It has led to an increase in depression and anxiety in individuals. The need for yoga to stay healthy, physically and mentally, has therefore increased. I proudly state that our students have continued practicing yoga. Keeping in mind the 2021 theme, Yoga for Well-being, we hope that this practice will promote good health, holistic health, and the general well-being of individuals. Thank you.